What are you doing?
Is that your dog?
puppy? Get your doggy. Get your doggy.
What is he trying to do?
Don't know.
Dog.
Yeah. Oh, you lost a sock. What happened to that? You say dog? Good job.
Why don't you headbutt him again? Oh, you're just going to lay on him?
What's he doing?
Oh.
Yeah, you love your doggy.
Good boy, Kramer.
Good boy.
Oh, don't move, though.
Uh-oh, he's gonna run away from you. What are you gonna do now?
Where'd your dog go? Kramer, come here.
He's like running around for him. Hi, can you say hi? Oh, is that your puppy? That's gross. Come get him.
Sit.
What's he doing? Did you get him?
You got your dog?
What? What else? Tell me more. Tell me more, Jet. Jet, tell me more. Jet.
Hi. Are you ready for supper?
Yep.
You want supper? Is that what you're trying to tell me?